Greetings to all judges and fellow competitors. We are a group representing Politeknik of Sandakan, Sabah, Malaysia. And here I am Alex. As far as we know, fish skin is rarely used to create any kind of products. And fish skin is often used at the restaurant or other industry like fish fillet factories, which result in a large amount of fish waste. Thus, our plan is to use the fish skin into leather. For your information, here at Sabah, Malaysia, there is still no production of fish skin leather. And the local people keen on consuming their favorite fish, saltwater fish, which is the milkfish. The scientific name is Chanos, and we call it here the ikan bau. So, our idea is from the milkfish to get the skin into leather.
Hi, I'm Adriana. Our fish leather project aims to generate a deeper understanding of fish leather as an alternative to conventional leather. It is to encourage a sustainable fashion practices and create an aesthetically fish leather products. Our fish leather may be relatively stronger due to the crisscrossing structure of the fish skin, and that makes it more elastic and tear resistant than cowhide.
Hi there, I'm Alif, and right now I'm going to share roughly on how the fish leather are made. There are 6 steps of making fish leather. Step 1. Collect the fish skin from supermarket or restaurant. Step 2. Scrape the flesh from the skin using a fleshing knife. Step 3. Soak the skin for several days in a saline solution. After that, dry the leather between absorbent clothes. For the final step, glaze our fish skin if we want it waterproof and durable. Using waxes and polymers, we can make our fish leather functional.
Hi, I'm Azharif. And what is the benefits of fish skin leather? The products we manufacture are high quality, which enhance both the style and satisfaction of our customers. Our product also surprisingly strong and durable, even stronger and durable than traditional leather. Our products are suitable for use by everyone, regardless gender and age. Furthermore, our products have high potential to be marketed and attract many customers all over the world.